India is a land of deep faith, where food and devotion have shared a sacred bond for centuries. And whenever there's a religious ritual or a fast, one name naturally comes to mind: Sabudana, also known as Sago. Welcome to Lotus Sago, where quality and hygiene stand out as a trusted choice. For over 50 years, BHARAT Sago factory has been crafting Lotus Sago through a 100% natural process, a true companion of devotion and belief for millions of Indians. The journey of Lotus Sago begins with a root resembling sweet potatoes, tapioca tubers. This tuber is a powerhouse of nutrition and wellness. The process starts by carefully selecting the finest tapioca tubers, which are then transported to our factory. Upon arrival, modern machinery unloads them, followed by a 3-step cleaning process to remove soil residue and the thick skin of the tuber. Tapioca skins naturally contain hydrogen cyanide, so it is essential to remove them thoroughly to produce sago that is not only delicious but also safe and wholesome. Each and every tuber is peeled perfectly and crushed, following which the pulp enters the extractor, where pure starch is drawn out. This bleach-free, 100% natural starch is processed into tiny uniform pearls using precision machinery, depending on the desired size. What we get is bright pearl-like sago that glistens like gems but is still fragile. To strengthen these delicate pearls, they are passed through a roaster and then a dryer to achieve the perfect texture. Whereas for nylon sago, these pearls are steamed and dried, culminating in perfect lotus sago. Whether it is roasted or nylon sago, both are prepared with equal care and then packed, ready to deliver pure sattvic nutrition to your fasting and festive moments. Every step of this journey takes place under one roof, ensuring that bleach-free Lotus Sago remains 100% natural, free from additives and uncompromised in quality. The water used in the Lotus Sago production process is repurified through a dedicated effluent treatment plant and is used for irrigating the organic farming within the plant premises. Additionally, during this treatment process, methane gas is generated and is used as a power source to run the factory machines. Lotus Sago believes in fulfilling not just its business commitment but also its social responsibilities. As a part of its environmental initiatives, the factory has planted over 7,500 lush green trees across a 30-acre area adjacent to the plant. At Lotus Sago, what sets us apart is not just technology, but the people. For the workers, it's a second home. Lotus Sago, a name that stands tall in the world of food, tradition, and exceptional production. A brand that not only nourishes your body, but also resonates with your deepest beliefs. Lotus Sago, tradition in every pearl, wellness in every bite.